Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you ready for some perfectly toasted breakfast items? Look at this adorable retro style toaster from KITCHMIX. It is absolutely beautiful. My favorite thing about this is the way that it looks. I love the chrome top, I love the chrome knobs, and it just gives my kitchen a little retro feel. It is so cute. It comes in white and cream. This is the white one, and it's very functional also. I love that the knobs are very easy to use, and it has extra wide slots, so it fits waffles, bagels, toast, whatever you want to put in it, this will fit. So that's fantastic. Everything is very easy to maneuver. The buttons light up this beautiful red color, which is nice, and you're not going to struggle to push these down or pop them back up. Everything works just fine. The knobs are very easy to use also. This toaster's been amazing. I love how perfect everything comes out regardless of what I put in it. It's toasted to perfection. It's easy to use and it's adorable. But that's just my point of view.